In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce certification expiration date. We'll walk through getting to the right place in Trailhead, where your certifications live, and how to ensure your details and privacy settings are set so you can clearly see your status and share it when you need to. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trailhead Salesforce and hit enter. In the results, look for Trailhead, the fun way to learn, Salesforce, and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your profile and certifications. Once you're on Trailhead, look to the top right for your account menu and click it. From there, open your profile. On your Trailblazer profile page, scroll to the certifications section. This is where you'll see each certification you hold, along with its status and any maintenance due dates. Salesforce certifications stay active as long as you complete maintenance by the listed due date. If you miss maintenance, the certification status will change accordingly. Think of that date as your expiration checkpoint. If you don't immediately see certifications, it may just be a visibility setting. Let's make sure that's set up correctly. Look for options related to certifications and visibility. Open the certifications area and review your certification visibility. Then go to certification privacy to confirm who can see your certifications on your public profile. This doesn't change the dates themselves, but it controls whether others, like recruiters or managers, can verify your credentials and see their current standing. Next, open your Trailhead Academy profile. Here you manage your certification identity details. Click into the legal name field to verify it matches the name you use for exams and certificates. If you make any changes, click Save. Then choose the option to select the name displayed on your certificate. You can pick either your Trailblazer profile name or your legal name. Select the one that aligns with how you want your certificate and public verification to appear. If you're unsure, the legal name often works best for exam and verification consistency. While you're here, it's a good idea to confirm supporting details that help with notifications and receipts. Check your company information, update your phone number if needed, and confirm your address. Accurate contact information helps ensure you receive certification maintenance reminders and any exam-related communications. If you adjust anything, remember to save. Open billing preferences to make sure your billing details are correct, especially if you book exams or purchase classes. Then review your email preferences. Make sure your primary email is current and that you're opted in for certification or maintenance updates so you don't miss due dates. These reminders are often the difference between staying active and accidentally going past a deadline. Return to certification privacy to decide whether your certifications are visible to others. You can choose to make your certifications private, which keeps them hidden, or make them public to all, which allows people to verify your credentials and see their current status. If you frequently share your Trailblazer profile with employers or clients, keeping certifications public can simplify verification. Finally, check the exam accommodation section if you require any special arrangements for testing. This won't affect expiration dates, but it's helpful to know where these settings live. That's the full path. Go to Trailhead, open your account, view your profile, and check your certification section to see your maintenance due dates and status. Use the visibility and privacy settings to control who can see them, and keep your personal, billing, and email preferences up to date so you never miss a reminder. If something looks different on your screen, Salesforce may have refreshed the interface. Use the same keywords we covered to find the corresponding areas. With these steps, you'll always know exactly where your certification expiration or maintenance date stands.